come with me to the next headquarters. I'm a fashion promotion student and we were getting some content for this trip today. Here we are arriving. Of course, we had to get a little picture. We then got our lanyards, which made us feel very official, and then we got to speak to the early careers team. They told us a bit about the trainee positions that they have. This was so exciting as these are the sort of positions that we'd be looking at getting into after uni. After getting our content, we then got to go on a tour, which was honestly insane. They literally have everything from mock shops to photo studios to product testing sites. It was just so cool to see all of this. And then we actually got to see some exclusive products that haven't even been launched yet. We then spoke to the buyer and designer on the team and got to ask them any questions that we wanted. I found this really useful to sort of understand if this was a career I wanted to go into in the future myself. Our third years then took part in the mock assessment centre. They got to do mock interviews and presentations to the recruitment team. This is an amazing opportunity to get real-time feedback from the team and get tips and tricks on how to ace the interview. They also get to meet the team so they feel more comfortable when they come back next time. We then had some lunch, which was amazing, so thank you so much Next for supplying this. We then got to ask some of their trainees advice and ask them questions about how they got into the role, and then we headed home. So I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to come back because honestly this trip was incredible.